1, 2. Alright, so there's me. Your people. Back with another one. See them about some train line. I don't know for them still. But... Welcome back, my people. Welcome back to Outer TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to another vlog. Seeing, if you guys were supporting the live stream earlier on, much love and much respect. That live stream has been one of the biggest live stream I've did since I've started this YouTube channel. What, two and a half months ago, almost 3 months now. Anyway, big up on yourself. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support, thanks for everything. I understand if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Saying, if you're a returning subscriber, much love and respect to you. Seeing, anyway, yeah man, the live stream earlier today was one of the biggest. It's not that big as much as I really want it to be, as I see some other live stream I go on some other channel, but it's one of my biggest, and for that I give thanks. Seeing, so I hope that the next one will be as big or even bigger. So thank you guys for supporting. Anyways, I may head to the location. I was doing a live stream at a river earlier on today. It was a great vibes. Kids from the community, everybody just are coming and enjoy themselves at this river. Saying, so maybe I stop by there because I'm actually going to head out. Now I'm going to head to the store or the supermarket to grab some things. I'm actually in the process of making a little chicken soup with red peas. See, or we'll just call it red pea soup with chicken foot. Yeah, but today I have chicken foot, but I just want some chicken breast tonight. But I go add the chicken foot. However, we still give it that more chicken flavor. So yeah, I'll see if I can get some yam, some scallion and some thyme, because I've already been alerted and notified that Jamaica get mashed down throughout the hurricane, and it's not that easy right now if you run into a store and just find everything that you need, because we've been without electricity for some time in this area, over a week. And guess what, I know majority of the stuff that we had in our fridge, seeing they are spoiled because we don't have a backup generator, we don't have any other source of electricity. It's just one major power company in Jamaica. So guess what, I know I had to throw out a whole ton load of spoiled scallions, onions, you name it. Everything was just in the fridge spoiling. As for the meat that was in there, I cooked out most of it throughout the hurricane and throughout the season that we were without electricity. So yeah, it just leaves me now to just regroup and restock. Anyway, for now, let me show you now. Go on. See, I have some red peas here, which I'm just gonna put this in the slow cooker and make that go on pressure for a bit. Oh, I did mash some garlic. Garlic helps to tenderize this and adds great flavor as well. So yeah, as for this thing I'm missing, it's just a sanding stone. So I like my knives real sharp, real pretty sharp. This is one of my best knives also. And see there, I have some chicken foot and I have a few pieces of chicken here. I just go take out the breast and use the breast with that chicken foot right there. And I'm just gonna run to the store, see if I can grab some yam. Probably make a few dumplings, put in this. We need some carrots, some Irish. We need the whole works. Like literally, we don't really have nothing right now because the situation that I just explained. Anyhow, I'm not complaining because what I have, a lot of people out there don't have it. See right now, I actually plug in electric. It cooks rice. It's a Cook's Essential brand. It cook rice, it pressure, it can do a whole lot of stuff. See, so me actually can do this with electricity and some people can't. So I'm not complaining because a lot of things that I have, whole heap of people don't have it. So we have only the power has only been restored what? Maybe about 2 3 days, 2 days. Yeah, about 2 days ago the power has been restored in this area. So yeah man, big up on yourself. I'm gonna head out. Maybe I stop by the river, go on a little clip of what's going on there in this video because I know a whole lot of you did watch the live stream and see how beautiful and how epic that place was. It is getting a bit hot, so you probably can't see what I go on. Anyways, I'm just gonna let that cook. As soon as this thing have a timer, I put the peas for 26 minutes. So as soon as the 26 minutes and the time, it will automatically shut down. And that's the greatest thing about this. If I use a pressure cooker on the stove, I have to run to the shop and run come right back. Anyway, that's not the case today. We will left that, head out, and go on guys and update the families. Big up on yourself. Your people, back with another one. Out here with the young crew. See them about a train line. I don't know for them still, but you see what I go on, then can pull it off. Back in the days we used to be pro at this thing. Yeah man, before they grey here, them start come. Let me see, can't zoom this. Oh, can't zoom in this mode. Let me see, head count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. Let's see how well they pull this off. One, two. Alright, so there's people passing by, so the train line get interrupted. Train line has been interrupted. Alright, beats. Yes, people, so that is kind of what the river looks like. Even though I didn't get to go to the best parts of the river because those parts were a bit occupied. You understand? Yeah, so I just left it and let the people in the community can enjoy the river because people gets a bit defensive when they see camera. I don't know why, but that's for them business. Anyways, right now I am home. Maybe I just cut up and clean up some chicken foot, wash down with some vinegar. See that? Nice and clean, guys. See the claw them right edge of the toes are, yeah. Cut them off and wash my chicken foot and everything. And the peas should be partially cooked. I try to cook the peas here other day. And the reason why I gave it 25 minutes on garwood is because I know that this peas is a bit kind of stubborn. Yeah man, the peas are the on the harder side. But that's fine. I know how to deal with it. So what I'm gonna do now is just add my chicken foot in with the peas and give it an additional maybe about 15-20 minutes and make everything come in. And I'm also gonna be adding one of my grace soup mix, or as we call it in Jamaica, one cock soup. No other grace cock soup to this without the noodles. I'm gonna sift this with a strainer in a bowl with some water just to get the flavor from this. I don't need the noodles. And people, yeah, I did stop at the grocery shop and I tell you, I couldn't even get any carrots. I get some salted pickled mackerel, salt mackerel to run with some ackee tomorrow. I have to get up early and go to the hockey tree before somebody get to it before me. I buy a little bit of backup flour. I know that I have flour here, but I just always buy. And I got some Irish, not much. I get a piece of yellow yam. This is yellow yam, but I need to peel it. So let's just put that over there. So, and I was only able to get this much in scallion until I can reach back to the bigger market in the town. Yeah, I wasn't able to get any carrots, so I just grabbed me a bag of mixed veg, which have carrot in there, corn, and this look like string beans. Yeah, man, like string beans in there as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using a bit of this to just kind of nice up back the soup to catch back wherever I fall short, because a whole heap of things missing out of this soup right now, and I have no control over that. You understand? So big up on yourself. Soon keep on posted. I'm gonna add the chicken foot in now and wash this in some water and just use the water. Let me go now. Idea. So we have a nice bowl right here. Just that on the stove. The place kind of pack up. I am gonna pour this in here and then catch some water in it. Then I'll use a spoon to just mix it around a bit so that all of the seasoning and everything that's in this gets loose from the noodle, the inside, because I don't need the noodle. So grab that just like that. Most people like the noodle, I don't. So yeah, that is it. All I have to do now is just catch some water in this, exactly like so. People, the place kind of pack up a bit because you guys may know I have been doing a bit of renovation in my living area. So let me go on a brief update. See there is sand and stone here. You have some cement over there, so that's thin set. I need to get all of these out. I have something that we call BRC mesh. It's a kind of mesh that I'm going to be laying out on this. What I had to do was to drill a hole in the center of this. There's a column there that's partially cast. It's already filled with concrete half the way. So what I'm going to do is just block up the remaining area there and there so that none of the concrete can escape. And I'm going to fill this column all the way up, and the remaining of concrete is what I'm going to be using to level this floor with a BRC mesh. So all of that is going to be cast into one concrete. So that was the aim, to have everything in one solid piece. So I just need to remove the tin sets and the cement. But the thing is, this should have been done already, but I'm working with a few persons which they have their daily lives to attend to. Today was their Sabbath. I couldn't do it today. I'm not sure about tomorrow. I have to wake up early in the morning and find out if we can get it done, because everything is on the ground to get this out of the way. It's just the manpower that is needed now. And I do have a lot of friends, but they have work, especially how we just suffered a major hurricane. Everybody have to be working and doing what they do. So that is that. So keep you guys posted in a bit. Let me just wash these noodles and then I'm going to throw them out because I don't need it. You see that? All the noodles are come up white and pretty. Which is exactly what we want, because I don't need the noodles. So when I lean it to the side, it's for the dry time to actually escape. You see the dry time's floating off. So this part of it, I don't need. This part of it is what I need. So I'm just gonna go in with this. Jeez, an empty beer bottle on the ground. Rinse that out a bit. Yeah, and that's that. That's it, just like that. So big up on yourself and stay tuned. Alright my people, so set this camera right. So so that I can show you guys what's going on in my soup pot. I've just emptied everything from my pressure cooker to this soup pot. See what I'm going there? Alright, let me show you now what's going on the peas. You see that? Nice. Alright, so see me have some chicken breast here, which I just add a little bit of seasoning to it. Nothing too much, just a little bit of all-purpose. See? Yeah. So now I'm just gonna make some dumpling, which I've already kneaded the dough. I have got here, so I'll wait. So let me just cover this down. I'll make it come back to a boil. In the meantime, I'm gonna be peeling the yam. As soon as this come back to a boil, because I added some water to it, so it kinda drop the temperature a bit. So I'm gonna peel my yellow yam, add my yellow yam, and add my dumplings and the Irish and scallion and thyme and all of that. So stay tuned, soon show you what I go on. Alright, so I go on there. Yes, steam in our face. Alright, so let me go in with the yams first. Just peel a nice little piece of the yam, not all of it, one piece for tomorrow. Okay. And this is the grand finale. I don't think after this I'm gonna come back in the soup pot. So see, we already have some pimento berries, or as another call that, allspice. Alright, you can need some dumpling and dropping on this thing right now. And we're not doing them too big, guys. This is perfect. We're not doing these dumplings too big. I don't know bush pot we are cook. And same way, we'll drop in a few spinners. Don't know the thing, man. Alright, people, so that is it for the dumpling them. Everything in them, man. Couple dumpling and couple carrot wheel and couple spinners. You name it. So that's all going on with my Irish and scallion, which I chop. I don't add whole scallions in my pot, soup pot either, because if you notice, you always have to be removing the whole scallion. I will add the whole time. I never chop time because I want to be able to remove the stalk as soon as the leaves fall off in the pot. So now we're going with my carrot and corn and such, the mixed veg. Yeah. So I'm just gonna use half of this. Now use all of it at all. Good. So that it kind of icy, so kind of stop the boiling process. But everything on track. I may add an additional noodle to this. I'm just gonna let it boil for a minute, then I give it a taste test because I don't really like salty soup. So I had one before and the chicken was seasoned. As you can see, and this chicken was seasoned overnight, people. Can still see where the chicken, the seasoning is still clinging or sticking to the chicken. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover this down and make it boil for about 10-15 minutes. And you don't want to completely close the pot if you're making this and it's all the way to the top like this is. You don't want to close it. You just want to barely keep it cracked open so it doesn't really boil over. Although I'll be monitoring this closely. So yeah, that is that. We'll keep you guys posted in a few. I do have the additional noodle right here just in case it tastes a bit on the fresher side. So let it come to a boil first and make everything that I just added here cook for a bit before I give it that taste test. So big up on yourself. Alright people, so that is it. Turn the stove off. Yeah, that is it. Let me just get this tripod to stand up and dish out look at this to eat. Okay, let me get a soup spoon. And you all know that I normally left a little bit of food for my neighbor, but he went out earlier, so when he's coming in, I'll just give him a nice serving. Yeah. My son favorite the cinnamon. Right now it's like minutes after 8, so I'm gonna call him up right now and see if he's up and if he can take a plate of soup in the night, which I doubt he will turn it down. That boy I love soup so much. Let's see if I can get some chicken foot. Yeah, so this is one of the reasons why I didn't bother to cut up the time. You see this part right now, I can just remove this easily. See, all of the leaves are gone, which most of the leaf contain the flavor that I need. So yeah, just like that, I'm done. Piece of the yam. Give me more, give me more, give me more spinners. Get more chicken foot. Yeah, that's it. For me, most of what left right now is gonna be either going in the fridge or someone else soon pass through and get some more food. Yeah, so let me just angle up back this camera now so I can show you guys the finished product. Yeah man, nice and lovely chicken soup, red peas and chicken. What more can you ask for on a Saturday evening? Yeah, the only thing that's missing is some beef or some cow skin or something else. Yeah, cow skin makes a nice red pea soup. So that is it. Give this a little sample. Nice. It's not fresh. It's not salt. It's perfect. And yes, I did went in and add the other chicken noodle in this thing, so maybe that's why it's perfect right now. See? Yeah. I don't have the courtesy of using my dining table right now, so I'm gonna use one little table out here so on my veranda, because as you can see, I don't know, the house kind of on a bit under a bit of a renovation process. These are my couch them out here, so are my settee. Yeah. So big up on yourself. I'll see you guys in next one. See? Enough love, enough respect to you guys. Nice.